Welcome to this how-to video brought to you by Salesforce Support. In this video, we're going to show you how to leverage the new left-hand navigation in the B2C Commerce Business Manager. This will enable you to easily access the tools you need, efficiently manage multiple sites, and customize your workspace to fit your needs. When you log into B2C Commerce, you'll automatically be taken to the Business Manager homepage. On the left-hand navigation, you have a list of modules. You can expand each module to access it directly from the home page. When you navigate to a specific module, such as the search module, you will be taken directly there. You can expand and collapse the left-hand navigation by selecting Collapse at the bottom, giving you more room to focus on the task at hand. Click the arrow again to bring back the left-hand navigation. Now let's take a look at how we've simplified multi-site management. For example, if you're rebuilding the search index for your sites, you can do so without leaving the page. Select Product Index and click Rebuild to start the process. When you switch sites from SFRA to PWA on the top of the left-hand navigation, you will be on the Search Indexes page for the PWA site. You can rebuild your search index for this site by following the same process. When you switch back to SFRA, you'll see that the product index job initially started is still ongoing. This reduces the number of clicks and time that it takes to manage the search indexes on your various sites. On the top of the left-hand navigation, you can access all of the apps you need. The waffle menu on the top left corner will open a menu of merchant tools to help you easily manage your sites. By selecting Administration, you'll be taken to the page where you can manage your instance. From the Administration page, you'll see a new menu on the left-hand navigation side with everything in this app, such as replication, organization, and sites. You can also expand and collapse the left-hand navigation, which gives you more space to work by shrinking the navigation down to icons. With the Apps menu, you have access to all of the tools you need to manage your site, including Account Manager, Control Center, Log Center, Reports and Dashboards, and more, enabling your team to work more efficiently and accomplish key tasks in less clicks. To learn more about B2C commerce, be sure to check out our other videos. You can also search for topics in Salesforce Help or come join us on the trail at trailhead.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching.